Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about why artificial intelligence matters. Artificial intelligence, AI, matters because it has become a powerful driver of innovation, efficiency, and problem solving across nearly every industry. AI can analyze vast amounts of data faster and more accurately than humans, enabling better decision-making in areas like healthcare, finance, and transportation. For example, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier, supports safer driving through autonomous systems, and allows companies to predict trends or detect fraud. AI also boosts productivity by automating repetitive tasks, freeing people to focus on creative and strategic work. In everyday life, it enhances convenience through tools like voice assistants, smart devices, and personalized recommendations. Beyond efficiency, AI plays a crucial role in addressing global challenges. It supports climate research, optimizes energy use, and improves disaster response through predictive modeling. Ultimately, AI matters because it expands human capabilities, drives economic growth, and shapes the future of how we live, work, and solve complex problems. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.